What's up everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a list in any market. If you love learning about affiliate marketing and improving your results online, then feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the like icon. So when you are going to build a list, you need something called a lead magnet, and that is basically something that you're going to exchange for someone's email address. Now I'm going to give you a template that you can download of a email lead magnet that I've used to build a list in the affiliate marketing space. So if you want to build a list in affiliate marketing, then I found a great lead magnet for you, and I will give you the funnel for free. You can use it for yourself to build your own list of affiliate marketers. This particular funnel has gotten up to 75% opt-in rates on some of my traffic, so I'm not sure how that will work for you in your particular type of traffic, but I'll give that away to you here at the end, or check below the video for a link to that. Now, the lead magnet, the hardest thing about finding a lead magnet is to build it around something that people actually care about. And this is called a hook. There are different hooks for every different market, and you basically have to find out what these hooks are for your particular market, and then design something that you can exchange that helps to solve a problem or speak to a desire or whatever to one of these hooks in your market. So where do you find some hooks? Well, ClickBank is always a great place to go. Clickbank.com, they sell information products in almost every niche. So this is a great place to find different hooks that have been proven to work in your market. So let's say you go into the education market. You are looking to create lead magnets to build your list in the education market. Then you would go into that category and sort by gravity. Gravity, this just means these products have the most people successfully promoting and making sales of the products right now. So these are the most successful products, essentially. So if you check this out, the place that you want to go is to look at their sales page and look at the hooks that they're using on the sales page. So I don't know what any of this is, but if you're in this niche, then you would probably understand what this is. The hook is basically, we can help you with taking the CAT ASVAB. These are all potential hooks right here that you could potentially build lead magnets around if you're in this niche. 2,000 practice questions, so I'm guessing this niche needs practice questions. Math videos, not sure why that necessarily, but if you were to give away, your top 10, your top 100 practice questions for the CAT, whatever. Study guides, these are all, every single one of these could be its own hook, and you could build a lead magnet around it. I'll explain more about how that all works mechanically in a second when we go through the funnel, but this is a great source of hooks and lead magnets. So hooks are anything that market is interested in that you could speak to and offer a solution to, and in exchange for their email, where you're going to deliver your lead magnet out. All right, so bonus materials is a free gift, described below. Yeah, so let's look at some more products here. CPC practice exam, human anatomy and physiology, and then we'll look at a couple other niches here. So we'll go to debt, we'll go to real estate, and we'll go to green products. Let's see. I like home and garden. That's a cool one. So yeah, the woodworking. This is a great one. So just by looking at these sales pages, and I'll show you another resource in a second, then you can see tons of different hooks that have already been proven in that niche to at least some degree to work. They're things that are interesting to that niche that you can just take those, create your own thing that you can deliver to people that's valuable in exchange for their email. So this was a medical billing something or other. Time to stop doing what's not working. get the CPC practice exam contents. 150 questions of CPC practice test. So again, this is another answer key, study guide, blah, blah, blah. So those are all potential hooks, study guides, answer keys, etc. for this very small specific niche, right? Human anatomy and physiology course, discover hidden secrets of the human body with 3,000 pages and illustrations. Skip the struggle and master human anatomy in 3 days or less. These are guaranteed. These are the different like sub niches of people that are interested in this topic. Injury law attorneys. So it looks like attorneys studying up on this topic. Student or educator, nurse or paramedic. So these are the avatars, the people you might be speaking to, the audiences you might be speaking to. Hundreds of medical topics, key facts, revisions, tests, solutions to whatever, simple explanations of cell structures, every region of the body. This might be something good to put on your pages, your lead magnet pages. Computer printable. So this one's not quite as obvious here, but let's see. Okay. Dissolve your debt. This is the top. Obligation. Well, that one's not great either. Sends the best deals to my inbox daily. Property leads. Find deals in all 50 states. Best real estate deals in your market. The deals you want. Monitor classified ads. That's something that matters to this market. Negotiate with leverage. Property listing monitoring. Again, these are all potential ideas for hooks that could work for your market. And another place to find great hooks is to join Facebook groups about your topic, and start to join those groups and interact. Like you can see my group here, which there should be a link to below the video if you want to join. It's free. Affiliate Marketing Nomads, where we talk about affiliate marketing. You can see some of the topics. You can start to learn, what questions keep coming up, which things do people need answers to. That's another great place to find some hooks and develop your lead magnets around to build your list. Another great place to check still in ClickBank. Most of your great hooks are going to be found by just looking at ClickBank, so you don't have to look too far. ClickBank, they've pretty much found all of the niches, or a lot of the niches anyways, especially the niches that will always be around, and they've figured out the angles and the hooks that work for those niches. So this is really the only place you need to go. Let's see. Oh boy. So build a shed in a weekend. Even if you have zero woodworking experience, I can tell you from looking at the woodworking products on ClickBank, often the thing is plans. So if you can offer a plan to somebody who's looking for a plan, they will give you their email for sure. Step-by-step instructions, easy to follow plans, complete materials list. That's another thing that you could offer as a lead magnet, materials list. So really, you just have to see what are on these sales pages that the people in these niches are interested in. And sometimes on their affiliate pages, this is why I open this, they'll have different options, right? So this is the free shed plans opt-in lander. So if you check this out, grab 5 free shed plans now. So you can see this is a lead gen lead magnet. They're using 5 full-blown shed plans with step-by-step instructions, easy to follow blueprints. These are the types that you could use in this niche. So yeah, any niche you want to get into, just go to ClickBank and find the products, the top products that are performing, and then look at both their sales page for the different things that they talk about on the sales page, and look at their affiliate page too, so that you can see what they care about, and you can make your lead magnets around that. So that's the basic concept. It's pretty simple. You really just have to find what these things are. And a lot of the hooks that people care about in these niches have been around for ages, maybe since the beginning of that niche. A niche is just a group of people that are interested in a topic or concerned about a topic. And a lot of these things have been around forever. People have been wanting to lose weight and meet somebody of the opposite sex for forever, since we've existed. And there's always the same concerns that come up in those things, and they just get spoken to in different ways over the years. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can start with evergreen hooks that have been around forever, and they're always going to work. So you have a couple different ways to discover the hooks. Now, what do you do once you have the hooks that you want to speak to? You have your proven hooks. You didn't have to come up with them yourselves. You're not reinventing the wheel. Well, the next thing is to build a lead magnet funnel. This is a very simple funnel. You can see an example here of the funnel that I'm going to give to you, which is, again, super simple. How to build, how to get the desire of this target audience. So right now I'm speaking to people who want to build a list of affiliate marketers. How to build a list of hungry affiliate marketers. And then you have to talk about the thing that you're going to give them. Steal my simple funnel that gets insane opt-in rates up to 75% on some traffic. The 2-step funnel I use to build a list of hungry affiliate marketers. So this is it. It's just a 2-page funnel. Now, I want to show you the actual funnel that I'm going to give you. So this is the funnel to get you to get the funnel. Marketing to marketers. But this is the actual funnel that I've been using for quite a while, and this is the one that gets a 75% opt-in rate to my audience, which is people who are interested in affiliate marketing. So let me show you again. It's very simple, and again, you can get this for free if you check out the link down below. So this is a real opt-in for this niche for affiliate marketers that I found from talking to a lot of affiliate marketers, that one of the hooks that works in this market is niches. People don't know what niche to choose, so I designed a lead magnet, a PDF that has a bunch of the hot niches that in 2019 and some of my favorite offers and a couple other resources there too. And I've been giving it away for free for quite a while, and that's what gets the 75% opt-in rate. And you can use it too if you are in the affiliate marketing niche. So the ultimate list of my favorite affiliate niches and products in 2019. Enter your email. You can see it's not very descriptive. This is all about curiosity, and for those who want to discover great affiliate niches. And you just click get my niches, and then I've got a thank you page, which is also what is called a bridge page, which is bridging to another product of mine. So it has a little video description of the other product, which is my book, Affiliate Traffic Secrets. Here is where they can download the niches. So they're going to download the PDF. Here's a little introduction to me. And then there's a little, sales page, a little bit of sales copy for buying the book after they've signed up. This is a natural progression. Okay, here you're about to get this list, or you can download this list of the best niches and products to promote. Well, the next thing you're going to need is traffic. So I just give a little description of, what they're going to get from this book, Affiliate Traffic Secrets, where they're going to learn how to get traffic for free to their offers and niches. So here's the actual PDF that I deliver. It's got some information in here about the best niches and offers that I've found in 2019. So that's it. That's a simple funnel. It's just 2 steps. And again, you can download it for yourself, and it's, if you have ClickFunnels, it'll download directly into your account. If you don't, then it'll start a free 14-day trial. Obviously, if you want to, you can just see what I'm doing here and do it yourself. But if you download my funnel, then you can actually literally you can use this PDF that I've created. I'm happy to to give it to you to use for free to build your list if you want, and you can go ahead and edit it too. There's instructions. If you go to this page by clicking the link down below this video to the free funnel and put in your email address here, then you're going to end up on this page, the thank you page. It might look a little different by the time you see it because I might change it. I might put some videos on here or something. There's a brief introduction to who I am. If you click this button, it's going to load into ClickFunnels like this. And then if you click, and then there's also some instructions here, right? So if you have a ClickFunnels account, it will instantly download and appear inside your account. You can then edit and use it as you please. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, downloading the funnel it won't automatically, but it'll give you an option to start a free 14-day trial, and then you can go ahead and use this funnel. Step 2, edit the thank you page. While you're inside ClickFunnels, then you can edit this page. You can swap out whatever you want. You can delete the whole thing if you want, and not have a word about me or anything. Just you could just leave the download the niches button, or you could leave it all as is. That's fine. Whatever you want to do. Thank you page is where the hot niches PDF is delivered when you send traffic to it. The version included also has an offer to buy my book. You can simply swap out the link and the product in about 10 seconds with the link to any product you think your audience might appreciate and respond to. It can be an affiliate product, your own product, or any link really. Or you can simply delete everything and only leave the button that lets people download the hot niches PDF. I'm giving you lots of options. It's up to you. Step 3, edit or create your own version of the niches PDF. You're totally free to just download the PDF as is and use mine, which I do have some affiliate links in there and some links to some of my products. So, that would be obviously helpful to me. But you can also add additional revenue streams by using this funnel. If you just swap out the links that I have inside the PDF, you can just change my affiliate links for your affiliate links for the exact same products, or you can put in completely different products if you want, or you can just use it as inspiration and create your own niches and offers. What I'm telling you is, if you're in the affiliate marketing niche, then affiliate marketers care about niches. So this is a hook that works in this niche. You can build ads about it. You can build emails about it. You can build funnels about it, and it should work the same for you as it has for me. And I've just given you a very simple way to go ahead and do that. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below and check out the links below the video to download this free funnel. And yeah, thanks for watching again, and I will talk to you later.